Hi friends, today I'm showing you this ROZKOP kettle. This is an electric kettle, and you can see this is a double wall electric kettle from ROZKOP. So from the packaging you can see it comes in a really protective packaging, and this is the hot plate that comes with it to warm the kettle. So this is the double wall insulated material, shiny one. This is the button to open the kettle. This is the stainless steel design. So it's a rust free design that you can see here. This is a good size kettle. This is on and off button. This is the rating for the kettle. So I will just show you the demo by putting this in the electric switch and putting the kettle on this plate. So putting in some water for the demo purpose. So the good thing is that the design is totally insulated outside, so you will not feel that heat. But you should be careful when you open the button after the water is boiled, because the steam will be there. So you can see in the switch is red now, so it start boiling. So the water start boiling. So for the demo purpose I use a small amount of water, but you can put any amount of water before this holes so that it will boil. So you can see the power of this kettle is very quick boiling, steam is producing. This is handy, you can pour it from here. It's a nice design, good size kettle that can be used for multiple purposes.